Oh my god, her voice is so sweet. What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be featuring someone new. In fact, I never yet heard of this particular individual before. So the reason why I'll be doing this reaction is it's because I'm from Jamaica and I want to learn more about other people's music from across the world. Okay, because in my country there are some music that is literally not played or accepted by some people in Jamaica. So if you guys do have an awareness about Bob Marley, then eventually, yes, I'm in this country where he's from. So I'll be going into the Italian country and I'll be reacting to Angelina Mango, La Noia official video. Sanremo 2024, Eurovision 2024. Okay, so I went on her Wikipedia page just to know about her a little, and she was born April 10, 2001, so she's very young, right? She's an Italian singer-songwriter. She rose to prominence after two of her singles, C.I. Permissione Demoni and Che Te Lo Dico Fa, peak within the top 10 on the Italian single chart in 2023. So I guess she's a superstar now based on her major hits that she received in 2023. Okay, so I'm happy to give her a listening ears. I'm happy to put my side of what I think about the music, because I guess she's Italian. She doesn't really speak English to the extent where we would understand. But what I literally do is I listen to the beat, I listen to the music, I listen to the way she deliver her music into what other people would understand it in. So it doesn't matter if it's in Spanish, English, Dutch, or whatever. I really like music. I really love the instrumental that is being played along with the music. So that is the reason why I'll be checking out this Italian female. I know nothing at all about her, so I'll be learning something in her music now, because I've just know a few things about her just a moment ago. So guys, without further ado, let this Jamaican experience something that he haven't experienced in a lifetime. So I'll see you there. Peace.
Quanti disegni ho fatto, rimango qui e li guardo, nessuno prende vita, questa pagina è pigra, vado di fretta e mi hanno detto che la vita è preziosa, io la indosso a testa alta sul collo, la mia collana non ha perle di saggezza, a me hanno dato le perline colorate per le bimbe incasinate con i traumi, da snodare.
Wow. Whoa. This Italian music, it's quenchable, bro. Damn. Hey, guys. This brings back so much memory. This is giving a vibe like Despacito vibe, to be honest. Oh, wow. Oh, God. Oh, all right. Quite remarkable thus far, though. I love it.
Piano piano con l'età, eppure sta una Pasqua, guarda zero drammi, quasi quasi cambio di nuovo città, che stare fermo a me mi viene la noia, la noia, la noia, la noia, muoio senza morire in questi giorni usati.
Wow, I gotta say I love her voice. Her voice is so cute and adorable. She's also cute and adorable. I gotta say, these musicians are really incredible. Just to take a step out of my country to learn about all these people, all these country, all these music, I feel so alive. Guys, to be honest, I was so eager to come home and to check out a lot of these music, because I'm feeling so great right now. Whoa. I'm so happy indeed.
Vivo senza soffrire, non c'è croce più grande, non ci resta che ridere in queste notti bruciate. Una corona di spine sarà il dress code per la mia festa. Ah, è la cumbia della noia. È la cumbia della noia. Totale. Ah, è la cumbia della noia. La cumbia della noia. Totale.
Whoa! Oh! Ah! Oh God! All right, guys. You see, this is the reason why I'll always explore, because I never knew that Italian music was so darn cool, bro. I mean, like, I'm so caught up in American music, I never really go deeper into the world where people like the Italian, right, and so much more music are so great, right? It is so great, and it is so underrated, and I'm feeling so rejoicing. I'm feeling this is so quenchable. What a beautiful music.
Tanta gente nelle cose vede il male, viene voglia di scappare come iniziano a parlare. E vorrei dirgli che sto bene ma poi mi guardano male, allora dico che è difficile campare. Business, parli di business, intanto chiudo gli occhi per firmare i contratti. Princess, ti chiama princess, allora adesso smettila di lavare i piatti. Muoio.
I gotta say, beautiful sound, beautiful lyrics, beautiful video, beautiful lifestyle. I gotta say, can someone please take me from my country, Jamaica, and launch me into the Italian country? I'd be so happy to go with y'all. What is it like for Italian culture different from Jamaica's culture? Because in Jamaica we have reggae music, we have dancehall, we have beautiful land which is consist of a lot of beautiful rivers, beautiful garden. There's so much in Jamaica where a lot of people from even the Italian country would come to take their vacation on this island, because there's so much beautiful things in Jamaica. There are so much beautiful places, there are so much beautiful beaches that people would like to come to Jamaica to visit and to enjoy themselves. So I would like to know, is the Italian country consist of those? Because I would like to take a trip from out of my country into this beautiful island of Italy, bro. Amazing, just amazing.
Senza morire in questi giorni usati, vivo senza soffrire, non c'è croce più grande, non ci resta che ridere in queste notti bruciate. Una corona di spine sarà il dress code per la mia festa. Ah, è la cumbia della noia. È la cumbia della noia. Totale. Ah, è la cumbia della noia. La cumbia della noia.
I love this music so much. Take me to darn Italy.
Allora scrivi canzoni, sì, le canzoni d'amore, e non ti voglio annoiare, ma qualcuno le deve cantare. Cumbia, ballo la cumbia, se rischio di inciampare almeno fermo la noia. Quindi faccio una festa, perché è l'unico modo per fermare, ah, la noia.
Oh my God, her voice is so sweet. I'm so happy to become a new fan of her, bro. I would love to dive deeper into her music, because I can see that she's doing great on this song. So I'm assuming, hopefully I'm getting the correct assumptions, that the rest of her songs are even more nicer than this one, bro. To be honest, I think this song is not her hit song mainly. I think she have other hit song that is bigger than this song based on what I've read earlier in the previous introduction, but this one is amazing.
La noia, la noia, la noia, muore perché morire rende i giorni più umani. soffrire, fa le gioie più grandi, non ci resta che ridere.
And I gotta say, the Italian women are very gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous specimens of people. Damn, bro. Lovely race, beautiful country, amazing people, lovely accent, beautiful language. What a beautiful place. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful.
Queste notti bruciate, una corona di spine, sarà il dress code per la mia festa. È la cumbia della noia. È la cumbia della noia. Totale. È la cumbia della noia. È la cumbia della noia. Total. Total.
That was brilliant. That was really brilliant. I gotta say, I enjoyed that Italian music, bro. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did read thus far in this reaction, and you guys did like my reaction, please leave a like on the video and please suggest the next song that I would check out next, that I should check out next for this wonderful female here. And I'll see you guys there. And please, if this video could get like 200 likes, I'll be happy to give you guys a next reaction. So I'll see you there. Peace.